95 K1500. Just cruise with it, basically do some local shows and come down here for this one. It's only my second time here at this show, but first time I brought the truck, so it's got a lot of sentimental value and got 90,000 on it now. I haven't done anything to it. All original, never been restored. Just a fun truck to have. A couple that came in at my local dealership, Ublar & Sons in Jasper, and they had it for a few months and decided that it wasn't for them. They tinted the windows and did a few other things to it, simple things. When they bought it, they had the interior detailed and had it treated, and then it's undercoated. They also spent the extra money to do that. For that, I'm grateful because it definitely helped preserve it. I went in, I was driving around and saw it sitting outside on a Sunday evening. Monday morning, I called in. I said, don't run it through the shop, don't detail it, I want it. So that's how I did it. I ended up putting a down payment on it that they said you can take it home today. Didn't need any cleaning, didn't need anything done to it. It was ready to go. So had it ever since. I've got a 2-car garage, and unbelievably, my daily driver, and then I've also got a 72 Cheyenne that I have, C10 2-wheel drive, and it's at home right now. So one day it'll be here, hopefully.